So today we're going to learn on how to do different shades of, our lipstick. And for people who love ombre like I do, this is the best place for you. So today I have three. Oh, actually I have four. I have four shades of lipstick, and I'll start with the first two. So I like using Slick because it works for my lips. First of all, you want to make sure your lips are moisturized. Before you apply lipstick, just make sure your lips are moisturized to avoid cracking. So you want to go in with your, make sure you always go in with your darker shade first. So this is more of red. So just make sure just apply on the outer layer of your lips like so, and make and here just leave a little bit of space. You also want to go on your upper lip like so. And leave a little bit of space. Shade. You can notice I left a little bit of an applied space on my upper and lower lip. So next you go in with your lighter shade. This is actually pink. Slick. Apply it on that empty space you need to apply, like so, and like so. So you want to rub your lips together. Cheap. This is the best shade you can ever do. This is so perfect. So this is the first one.